Hello friends, are you bored and you want to make new friends online? Just anywhere in the world, any country? This video is for you. My name is Vmix and you're welcome to my channel where you can learn new tricks and tips on how to make money online. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever a new video is posted, okay? The first thing you want to do here is to go to your Play Store, type Line. Here is Line app that we're going to be using. You can see I already have this Line app downloaded to my phone. Let me just open to show you some features. The features we are going to be using on this app today is people nearby, okay? Before you connect to any country in the world, you will need to have a VPN, a location changer. Now, to do that, you will need to go to your Play Store again. At this time, you are going to search for location changer. Yeah, this is location changer. You see I already have this location changer on my phone. So what I would do now is to open. In your own case, you will just have to install. Now let's open location changer. Okay. Now if I want to see anybody in Taiwan, any city in Taiwan, I will just have to type the city, then click on start. Okay. Now we are in Taipei, Taiwan. This is Taiwan. Okay. If we want to change this location now to another country, we have to go back to our location changer. Let's search for people in US. We want to see people in Los Angeles, California. See here. Now you search again. You can hit on the search button as many times as you want. Now after searching, now you go back to Line again. Okay. Now the next thing you still want to do here is to click on people nearby. Wow. We are in Los Angeles, California, USA. This is just a simple way, a simple trick that you can meet new friends anywhere in the world. Okay, let's try the last one. Now, we still go back to our location changer. Okay, let's now go to Singapore. Let's search for Jurong, Singapore. Okay, paste. Let's search again. Make sure it has changed. Okay, now let's go back to Line app. Hit on the people nearby. You are now in Singapore. So it's just a simple way to meet new friends online. This video is for educational purposes. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.